Okay, I'll just show you how to unpair, debond, delete a phone, however you want to term it, from the Bluetooth audio system in this Honda. It's not quite as easy or intuitive as you would hope. So basically, from any screen, if you're in audio, you would think that going to the phone menu, there's nothing connected, nothing paired to it at the moment. It just says unable to connect to smartphone. So the other way is if you click on phone, no phone's connected, would you like to select a phone to connect? Well, no, you want to debond one. But if you click no, nothing happens, you go to another screen. So the thing to do is this home button at the top. If you click on the home button, you'll see the six white dots in a white circle here. If you click on there, it brings up the another menu, and here you've got a hour radio, browser, calculator, calendar, clock, downloads, fuel, gallery. Click downwards and you've got Honda App Center, install app, music, parking, search, and settings, and settings is the one we want. So we click on settings, and then you've got Bluetooth here. And it looks like it's Bluetooth. That would just knock the Bluetooth on and off. But if you click Bluetooth, it then brings up a list of phones. And you see there, there's my phone at the top there, and there's some settings look like slider buttons. So you click on the settings, and then you've got rename or unpair. I want to unpair. That's it gone. I'll just do these while I'm at it. Unpair. Unpair. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Honda Civic. So from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. And from any screen, whatever screen you're on, or audio or so on, just click the menu button there, then onto phone. There's nothing connected at the moment. It's asking me there, do I want to connect to mobile? Add a phone, yes. Make sure Bluetooth is on, set discoverable on your mobile phone. Well, it is, so we'll click continue. It's searching, it's found my phone. I click on my phone, and here we go, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Compare the following number with the number displayed on your phone, 9716. Well, that was the number it was, so we'll click OK there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using the car again, but you'd click allow there. And that's it, that's it paired. Let me just see where it is. There you go, Honda HFT connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile to the or through the Bluetooth audio system in this Honda Civic. So if we go to tunes, you'll see there at the bottom Honda HFT. So that's telling me, you see there's a tick next to it. If the tick was next to iPhone, it would play through my iPhone, but any audio is going to come through the Honda. So we'll go back here. It's turned down on my mobile, but I'll click play, and then we need to go to the white buttons at the top, that the six white squares, and home there, and you've got phone here, and you've got audio. So we'll click on audio, then you've got Bluetooth. Well, there's a Bluetooth symbol there, and there's a phone there, but that's showing apps. We'll go to Bluetooth, and it's there, simply the best. Now then, that's showing the source there. If, for argument's sake, it didn't come on there, if we click the source button, that's taking you back to that screen, and it's showing you the options. You've got USB, HDMI, iPod, all those you can plug in the front central armrest, but we want Bluetooth. So simply the best. We'll turn it up, and then there you go. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'd get a copyright strike or an infringement, but that's it. That's how it works.